Director of SCERT Assam, Dr. Niroda Devi, Director of NCERT, Dr. Rushikesh Senapati, Director of Elementary Education Assam, Dr. Bijaya Choudhury, Mission Director of SSA Assam, B. Kalyan Chakrabarti, Chairman of SEBA, Sri R.C. Jain, Chairman of Assam Higher Secondary Education Council, Dr. Dayanand Bargohai, Chairman of CBSE, Manoj Ahuja, Commissioner of Secondary Education Department Assam, Sri Pritam Shaikia, Education Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, Education Minister of India, Ramesh Pokhriyal, Chief Minister of Assam, Sarbananda Sonowal, Governor of Assam, Jagdish Mukhi, President of India, Ramnath Kovind, Vice President of India, Venkaiah Naidu, Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, Chief Justice of India, Sharad Arvind Pawar, Speaker of Lok Sabha, Om Birla, Chief Election Commissioner of India, Sunil Arora, Comptroller and Auditor General of India, G.C. Murmu, Chairman of UPSC, Pradeep Kumar Joshi, Attorney General of India, K.K. Venugopal, Minister of Home Affairs, Amit Shah, Minister of Finance, Nirmala Sitharaman, Minister of Defence, Rajnath Singh, Minister of External Affairs, Subramaniam Jaishankar, Minister of Agriculture, Narendra Singh Tamar, Minister of Railways, Piyush Goyal, Minister of Law and Justice, रविशंकर प्रसाद, Minister of Information and Broadcasting, Prakash Javadekar, National Security Advisor of India, Ajit Doval, Chairman of Department of Space, K. Shivan, Chief Economic Advisor of India, Krishnamurthy Subramanian, Chairman of Railway Board, Vinod Kumar Yadav, Chairman of UGC, D.P. Singh, Governor of RBI, Shaktikanta Das, Chairman of SEBI, अजय त्यागी, Chairman of 7th Pay Commission, Ashok Kumar Mathur, Director of ED, Sanjay Kumar Misra, Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat, Chief of Air Staff, Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhaduria, Chief of Army Staff, General Manoj Mukund Naravane, Chief of Naval Staff, Admiral Karamveer Singh, Director of IB, Arvind Kumar, Secretary of RAW, Samant Goel, Director of CBI, Rishi Kumar Shukla, Director General of NIA, Y.C. Modi, Director General of WHO, Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, Managing Director of IMF, Kristalina Georgieva, BCCI President, Saurav Ganguly, FIFA President, Gianni Infantino,